Let's auto-capitalize names. Anytime we're putting a name into a column, sometimes we'll put in Brandy and not capitalize it. Let's automatically capitalize it. Go up to Extensions, AppScript. You'll show up here in AppScript. We're going to create a new function on Edit with an event or E. Sometimes we make this just the letter E, but for now, we'll do event. We get some pretty cool information here. We get variable row equals event.range.getRow. Variable column equals event.range.getColumn. So we know what row, what column we're on anytime we're editing or a user is editing a cell. And we can say if row is greater than 1, meaning it's not the header row, double ampersand for and col is equal to 1, meaning the name column in our particular sheet. What are we going to do? Well, in curly brackets, we're going to do something pretty darn cool. We're going to run a little bit of JavaScript. We're going to say const name equals e.range.getValue dot to. We're going to say e.value. And we're going to say const title name equals name dot to lowercase dot split at the commas at blinks dot map word dot char at 0 to uppercase. We're going to add word dot slice 1, and we're going to join at spaces, and then we're going to say spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet get sheet by name, which is in our case sheet 1, get range, it's going to be the row and the column that we're on, dot set value is going to be the title name. So we're going to reset the value based on whatever the value is. We're going to come in and then we're going to capitalize it in this sort of title casing, and then we're going to set that value. So let's see if it works. Let's go Andrew. We need event, not E here. Sometimes I mix that up. Let's try again, Andrew, and it's capitalized. Let's try Naomi Campbell, and it's perfectly capitalized. So we can take John Smith, paste it again, delete Mario Lopez, write Mario Lopez, write John Smith, and each time it's capitalizing correctly. That's how to auto-capitalize names. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want the app script in this video, just check down below in the description. I'll give it to you absolutely free. Thanks so much. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.